Greetings from Cocoa Beach, Florida, and here is an April walk. Now we're in the shopping side of things, 2 blocks over from the beach. I know everyone would come here for the swimming, and for good reason. But what's it like to stroll over and see some of the Sunshine States shopping area, where you can get your very own, ready, spin it around, Florida shirts. Although the big draw for Cocoa Beach is the beach many will talk about right here. Ron Jon Surf Shop. Why? I believe it's the original and the largest one. You can see there's the beach down there. We'll get to that in just a bit. I wanted to stroll a little bit of Cocoa Beach because this is a very popular destination for cruise ships coming out of the New York, Canada, maybe even the Maryland area. They all stop at Port Canaveral, Florida. Down in this direction, you've got some Waffle House, a Taco Bell, some t-shirt shops. Easy stroll. So back to it, a lot of cruise ships will offer destination of Port Canaveral, Florida. And once you've exited the ship, if you have not already purchased a shore excursion, you can hop on a shuttle that'll bring you to Cocoa Beach for just $10 in each direction. Last one back to the ship is at 5 p.m. But since there are so many people on today's ship, they're running for an extra hour. So that'll be 6 p.m. Get you back over to the ship around 6:30. It's around a half an hour ride, but that doesn't mean this is the only thing you can do here. Been here a couple of times. Disney is the thing that I did on one trip. It was Thanksgiving here with my mom. We thought it would be memorable to see that Thanksgiving Day parade at Disneyland. So that was what we did on that visit. Another bit is I just walked around, looked at some of the other ships. We arrived in the evening, and today I'm heading over to Cocoa Beach. But I wanted to check a little bit about what's the area like, what's there to do if you're visiting for the first time. All right, lots, I guess if you're looking for another Florida shirt, that is your options, or you forgot your sunblock. Oh, clearance, nothing over, I think it says $8.99. Get the idea, kind of like the Myrtle Beach area, some hotels and some shopping. Heading over to the beach now, and that's a quick look of, there it is, Cocoa Beach. There it was, there it is, there it was, there it is, Cocoa Beach, Florida. Till next time, keep exploring.